All right, folks, if you love second-gen Camaros, you may fall in love with this one. This is a trade I just took in from one of my collectors. This is a beautiful, real 71 Z28. Still wearing its original factory color of black. It has silver Z28 stripes, look beautiful. Riding on the Chevrolet Z28 wheels, upgraded with BF Goodrich radial TAs. This is a nice straight car. Nice and clean underneath and painted black. Beautiful, fresh interior in the car. Sport mirrors. Mirror finish black paint. Front and rear spoiler. I'm not sure what the story is. I think during the first half of the year, I could be wrong, you got a short spoiler in the rear. In the second half, you could get the taller one. I like the taller one personally, which this has. I'm going to take you for a ride in this little car too. This is the original 350, 300, or actually 330 horsepower, we're told. The casting numbers are correct for it. The VIN numbers on the front pad are barely legible, so I can't swear that his number's matching, but it looks like it may be. And we are told that it is. This one is equipped nicely with tilt steering wheel. Beautiful original dash in the car with your 8,000 RPM tach. Really nice car. She's automatic from the factory. Right there, turbo 400, original AM/FM radio right there, and an updated modern stereo system right there that plays beautiful. Brand new carpet Z28 mats we just bought for it, still in the wrapper. Beautiful interior in this car. Nice headliner, original seatbelts up there. Nice car. All right, let's take a look under the hood. First, the data plate over there will clearly show you Z28 as the option. Z28 something .11, but that is a real Z28. There's the 350 that we believe was born in this car. It has not been detailed yet. It will be detailed before we ship it out to one of our customers. Very authentic and original looking, with the exception of this. You couldn't get factory air conditioning in your 71 Z28. It was not offered. Someone paid to have that entire factory air conditioning system installed in this car. So it was obviously going to a hot climate, because they also opted to go with the vinyl and fabric interior, which cost $20 extra back in 1971. So they were looking to stay cool and comfortable in this beautiful Z28. Air conditioning will blow ice cold when it leaves here. We're replacing this compressor, I'm told, and a couple other little things on it. But it'll work like new. Let's go for a ride. All right, here we go. I got my sunglasses on so I can be cool enough to drive this car. Make sure you do the same, all right? Here we roll. This car is so comfortable and so nice to drive, you won't want to get out of it.